Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon Seller Central for AI inventory planning step by step clearly. To log into Amazon Seller Central for AI inventory planning, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.sellercentral.amazon.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Amazon Seller Central login page. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login form. Enter the email address associated with your Amazon Seller Central account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Before clicking the Sign In button, make sure to check if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a public or shared computer, it's best to leave this option unchecked. Click on the Sign In button to access your Amazon Seller Central account. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the Seller Central dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard, as it contains various tools for managing your inventory. Now, look for the section related to inventory planning. This section will provide you with insights and analytics for your stock management. Utilize the AI features available to optimize your inventory decisions. Remember to log out after your session, especially on shared devices. To log out, locate your account name at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account name, and then select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. Closing the browser window will ensure that your account remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.